5, 4, 3, closure in 2, 1, and perfect. All right, chat. Gone sells your chat right around there. 5, open up no top wick. First thing does create a top wick. Gone sells on the break of the highs. Stop loss is, where's the exact entry? 51.72. Okay, so 51.72. Around there. Stop loss is gonna be, where is it again? Stop loss was gonna be, what did I say? Oh, 33.749 or 66192. What am I saying? 66192, and then target is gonna be down here at the 1933. Yeah, 33.192. All right, so this is the trade we got into right now, chat. This is what we're waiting for all morning to play out. We had news that came out. We wait for price to sell down a little bit. Price to put more data. It finally got us more data. We wait for the break of the highs on this 15. We expect this 15 to fill the wick, right? You have 9 minutes left now for a 4-hour close. You have 9 minutes left for a 1-hour close. Chances of the 1-hour closing bearish on 9. I mean, it could close bearish on 9, but I mean, it needs to drive $8 really. It's a lot. So you may just end up closing midweek bullish. You might be closing above the range here like this. Oh, by the way, break-even point won't be until, I'll say, break-even point will likely be on a breakout lows, chat, like 1948 or something. All right, like I'll move stocks to break even once price taps into 1949, but I'll close partials once you tap into 1948. All right. But yeah, I was gonna say, even the 1-hour close above, you need a bottom wick for the previous 4-hour candle, and the previous 4-hour low. All right, cool. Chat, so this is gonna be a risk-free trade now. Moving my stops to break even. I'm also gonna be closing 50% of my positions here as well. So I'm gonna be closing half my positions here, and now I'm just gonna let the rest rock towards TP. All right. So close half there, we secured 10 pips basically. Now it's just, if it runs, it runs. If it doesn't run, then it doesn't run. But this honestly might be the only trade I take today on NFP. If I'm being honest with you guys. It wasn't really the wick entry, but you know, it was close. It was a couple pips off. I could have done a little better, but I mean, 5 pips. I was gonna say, like, even if the 1 hour does close your chat, like, you look, there's a resistance here on price, right? Even if you do close above the range, you gotta create a bottom wick at 1943 anyways. So by the time you tap 43, like, you're what? You're like 8 pips in profit already, right? Even the 4-hour close as well. The bottom wick, if it were to happen, it's gonna be down here at 41, right? It's gonna be like a 100 pip range at that point. So you have advantage levels you can play off here. Obviously, I want price to just run here, but anything can happen, right? It might run, it might not run. But all I know is that I'm risk-free on this trade. Close partials, and we got TP towards 1933.1. Cool, chat. You guys understand? Everyone understood that trade? This trade was broken down since like oh shit. Where's my candles? This trade was broken down since like the morning. Like literally all we said this morning. This entire morning, this is all we spoke about on price. Accidentally entered XAG. Oh damn. Yo, if you guys don't understand the trade, you know, this is your time to understand the trade. This is your time to ask questions and shit. But you know, if you guys don't care, you guys care about the trade as usual, then feel free to enjoy your profits and enjoy your Friday. But yo, chat, if you guys, you know, leave a like, sub to the channel. I appreciate you guys. That'd be amazing. But RR Don. But RR Don. The only thing I'm afraid of, chat, is this right here. Because like I don't know what's gonna happen here. I have no idea what's gonna happen here. There's the support form right here. If you can break through, you're good. But even if you break through, you gotta survive the pullback at 9 a.m. You gotta survive the pullback at 9:05. Right? Even if you were to close below the range like this, you still gotta create a top before driving down. So if you survive that, perfect. Another way you could have played this trade was maybe like move stops in profit right? You could have moved your stops in like 10 pips in profit, whatever, and let it rock. But with the wick entries, chances of you surviving a wick entry versus the middle of a range is very high. So I'd rather just leave it. Leave the wick entry and just have the runner going. Maybe we could have closed a smaller partial, but you know, it is what it is. Like I wanted to enter at like right at news like 5-3, but it's just that it was too volatile. It could have easily just continued to drive further up past that resistance, right? So that's what I was afraid of, and that's why we didn't enter until we had some more information on price. And the moment this kind of closed bullish, we're like, yeah, perfect, right? The moment it closed bullish above the range with no top wick, we're like, perfect. There's no liquidity being grabbed there, so like you have so many areas to play. Might run, it might not run, chat, but it doesn't matter. If it runs, it runs. We'll call it a day after this trade anyways. It'll be a clean day regardless, right? Now it's not 110 pips if it does hit break even. You're not gonna make back your loss still. But why does that loss matter? Like you shouldn't aim to make that loss back on your very next trade or your very next couple trades. You'll get there eventually with time, right? Just like any other loss we've had. We've always made it back, right? Like last time took a loss. What do you do? Made it back. Took a loss here. What do you do? Made it back, right? And then it just continues to flow. But let me just put this trade in the journal chat before I forget. Man, this bottom wick is gonna be interesting. Who's in the chat here?
Yo.
Hey, what's going on, Novus?
Man, I fucked up.
Oh shit. You lost your MFF account too?
No, that's a 5K account, it's fine. I bought 100K. All right. And then I entered the position with a 0.1 lot. I'm like, fuck.
Hey man, it's the learning experience that counts.
Man. I've been waiting for the setup. You don't understand.
I know. I spoke to you about it yesterday, and I spoke to my boy Luca about it yesterday too. Like literally all night.
I entered a 0.1. It was like 20 pips. I was like,
so you can't close partials?
Gonna close. I closed and I was like, what the fuck? $20? Like, what's going on here?
So what were you trying to I was
trying to enter a 2.5.
2.5. Wow, that's a big difference.
Yeah, man. But it's okay. It's all right. No more FOMOs, right?
You still got the idea.
Yeah.
The idea was accurate. I mean.
Yeah, it was good.
Calm effects. Yeah, 0.01. You can't really close half then.
No, I was 0.1, but like when I looked to close half, I was like, huh, that's 0.05. Yeah. Probably just doesn't really matter at that point. But that was pretty good analysis.
What was your exact entry?
50. Oh, wait, no. Where was it? 51.69.
51.69.
You got like what, 0.3 better than me?
Yeah, I got 51.72.
Yeah, man. Because your blueberry spreads are so good, man.
Or I might have just entered because there was a little delay when I entered as well, so maybe that. You might hit break even here though. This vibes it's not close bullish here. The only way we might not hit break even is if the first thing the 4 hour does is no top wick, just goes straight down. But this is a long shot at this point. Yeah, it's a long shot. I want runners chat just because of the 4 hour and daily, but that's why I didn't really close or be as aggressive with the position. I'm okay with closing out 10 pips on this trade. I'm perfectly fine. Yeah, you're closing bullish here. That might have been liquidity for us to continue pushing here.
That was very nice.
Oh, yo, how are you trading right now? I want to ask.
What do you mean trading?
How are you spending your morning right now?
I'm chilling, man. I'm currently working. I got a meeting in like 5 minutes, but no,
No,
that
because
was a
like
nice
you
trade.
don't have your MFF account, right?
Oh yeah. So basically, literally today is my payout day.
So what does that mean?
Well, I don't know.
He's not getting it.
It's just yeah, I'm just not getting it for like a year, probably ever.
September, right?
Well, I don't know. Well, I'd imagine because it's court cases, right? It goes on for like months and months and months, doesn't it? Because it's not just one court case.
Yeah.
Well, it
It's
is
like
one
multiple.
court case, but it's just like multiple
Yeah.
arguments under one case.
Are RVS with MFF?
No, I left them a while ago.
Why?
I also have an ACG account
What'd you know that we
as
didn't
well.
know?
What then? They're not paying out
What up, Husky?
MFF?
What's going on?
What's up, man? You good?
No, it's not that they're not paying out. They're you just can't trade on them anymore. Their thing is frozen. Like you can't.
Yeah, everything
Yeah.
is.
Just
My
start,
my buy and sell is grayed out.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
at a
wow.
whole stop.
Wow.
So yeah, I got ACG and my funded FX left, so I don't know whether to keep.
What's ACG?
Alpha Capital.
Alpha
Group.
Capital.
Alpha Capital. How about FTMO? You guys want to rock with FTMO?
To be fair, that's like probably the only one I'm going to buy in the future.
It's like
They
the
seem to
only.
be the only one that's
it's-
okay.
it's been there the longest, right? Or has it been a
Yeah,
MFF?
it's because it's in Czech Republic, right, or something like that. I'm pretty sure. So they don't get like regulated as hard. It's like the ones in the UK, USA, and Canada. They're all the ones that get
Yeah, Canada's trash.
done over. Yeah.
Purdue for the win.
Yeah,
But-
I know the owners of that one. Cool guy.
Does anybody here like trade an actual prop firm, like the actual ones, like the ones where it's like they actually want you to win? Like anyone at all? Have experience with that in the chat?
A prop firm that
'Cause
wants
I
you to win.
wanna open up one of those, like an actual prop firm one day. Like that's always been my like. It's funny because me and Marco spoke about that. We spoke about like that during the summer when he came down to Toronto in April. Because
But
we're
if
worried,
you ever
we're
want-
asking like, where's the money coming from for his props, right?
If you ever want to open one up or a brokerage, hit me up. My partners actually create brokerages
Okay.
and prop firms.
Oh wait, yeah.
And
I
they're
think I spoke to you about this, right? Or you spoke.
Yeah,
to me.
they're in Slovenia, so they can get meta quotes just like that.
Text me or just DM me after.
Damn you, yeah. And if you ever want to explore it, you can I can put you on a Zoom with them. You can ask relevant questions. So if and when you're ready, you're good.
Imagine how crazy it'd be to have DVS funding. That'd be
Man,
unreal.
Yeah, and we can get your brokerage up in 2 months if you want a brokerage.
Oh,
Elvis's reaction.
I can just see Don guys go like,
no, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, that was like when the waitress brings your food
okay.
out.
Commission,
You're like, oh,
affiliates,
Oh, my
deals.
days.
We're actually
$3.5 a
doing one now.
month.
I just want this forward account to flip bearish, really.
He's not even thinking about 2 months from now. He just wants this 4 hour.
Forward account. If he survives his top wick, I think it's the third time it's done this. But third time breaking highs is not gonna likely.
No, it's gonna run.
It's gonna. I don't know.
What is going on?
I had that sniper exit at 1947.78.
Oh no way!
Fucking show off.
So Don, did you wrap that card?
Did I wrap
Ban
that
this guy
car?
from the streams.
No. But I have yo chat. What do you guys think about this color?
That metallic green?
No, not the green. Bro, I'm very impulsive when it comes to colors and stuff.
Another one.
But I'm doing,
Impulsive or indecisive? Because it seems like
Yeah,
both
it
ways.
sounds
I'm
indecisive.
Indecisive, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm doing this wrap, this color, like a orangish, reddish.
Okay, yeah, that's clean.
Oh, that was the color of my
Yeah,
old
that's nice.
BMW.
Yeah, that's nice.
That'll go well with your seats too, right?
Yeah,
You got
yeah,
the
my
one-
red interior. All right, yeah, I'm gonna do that color, and then also I'm gonna do I'm getting coilovers and some, like,
What kind of
my
rims
wheels.
on it? Is it going to be the glow or the rose
No,
gold?
it's these. It's gonna be a clean build. It's exactly this.
Yeah, nice. BBS alloys are nice.
Yeah.
With the red, silver and the red would look very nice. And then I'm probably gonna get like,
4-hour flip.
oh yeah,
No,
4
my
accounts flipping bearish again. Who knows?
Beautiful.
There's been days, chat. You know how there's days where there's no like account opens up, like a 4 account closes above the range, but it doesn't just flip bullish. It's very rare those days happen. But let's just hope today's that day. Because if today's that day, we're gonna run for runners.
Mate, yeah, this is actually gonna run.
Because the daily shows that we can still flip, right? Daily's still bearish today. It broke the highs. It's still below the range though. But
I should have believed, man.
We
Screw your sniper
This is
exit now.
gone.
we gotta survive one more
Sniper
pullback, I
exit
think
now.
though. We gotta survive this I think this
Right
this,
down here.
this yeah, like once you close
Yeah.
below here, you gotta survive whatever this is.
1945, 930, 30, 39.
Yeah. We survive that, then we should be good. I don't see why not.
I didn't get greedy. I closed out good profits. So I just say, you know what?
It's a
Yeah,
Friday, you
closed
know, it is what it
80%.
is.
Yeah, it's Friday. Closed 80%. Let the rest rock.
Yeah, I got like
I
10%
wish I
left.
could do that.
If it does anything.
I don't really know what to do there with MFF, right? Because like
You fucking
I'm
wrecked.
pretty sure that like 90% of people are actually charging back on their card right now.
I would.
But like then again, it
Shit,
causes
that's
like
true.
this.
Yeah, it's just gonna take
It
longer to
causes
get your
this
funds.
pool of like just people withdrawing their fund, and then then again they won't have people like they can't like I don't know, they can't peel people off there. It's a mess, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a big mess.
I think they might just I don't know, because when you freeze you
It
can't
might not
withdraw,
come
can
back.
you? Or you can't refund
No.
people,
No,
can you?
I
No, they
can't
literally
do
can't do
anything.
anything.
Your business can't do
do
anything,
anything.
right? It can't
No.
Yeah.
Nothing.
send
Nothing.
assets, it can't buy nothing.
In the US right now, there was something called winning circle that a lot of traders were in, and they were trading and they were investing other people's funds, and it got frozen with close to billions in it.
No.
Billions. Right now, we are actually trying to get those funds out for them because it's there in crypto, but no bank in the US can receive it. So we're actually working with them now to free those funds because a lot of people have hundreds of thousands, if not millions in it. They were paying out really well. They're not a prop firm. They're just an investment company. And the SEC came down on them real hard.
Yo, I got to head off for this work meeting, but I'll catch you guys in a bit. Lovely trade.
Yeah.
All
bro,
right,
later,
love you
bro.
long time.
Ciao, ciao.
Take it easy, bro. Oh wow, what's up, bro?
What's happening, homie?
The
Guys
man.
up 24/7.
Yeah, he
Bro,
is.
was up for
I'm
London.
very sorry for London. I
Yeah, I
almost
saw him
missed
on
out.
London stream. I was watching the London stream. I just wasn't active in chat.
Bro, what are you doing on London?
I'm sure you would have seen him during Asian Wixland stream, but Wixland stream.
Yeah, I got stuck. Well, you know that. I was in the hella draw down there in Asia.
Yeah,
But I
yeah, I
think it
know you
makes
did.
sense.
Was it really hella drawing though? I didn't think that was bad drawing, was it? It was maybe like third
Well,
pips.
just because I took but I took the second entry way too early before resistance or support. It's like I FOMO'd into my second position, like, oh, I know what I'm doing. Let me get a better entry.
But you understand where I was coming from yesterday, right? Like when
Yeah.
it's like the
Oh yeah, you showed it.
yeah, it was just like there was like just imagine like this wasn't here. And it's just like whenever like there's no liquidity, like your chances of use like like for you to have advantage points are very very like unlikely.
Low.
Yeah, very low. Whereas if you have a top wick, if you were because like you took a sell where again? You took a sell somewhere over here.
Right at the green candle.
This one or this one?
Yep,
This one?
that one.
Oh
Yep.
yeah, see, yeah, this would have been more ideal because like this is like your resistance up here. So like if price were to continue down, it's gotta grab something before coming down, right? I mean, I understand looking left, there was clean traffic here, which could have still got filled. But before coming down, like if you want that precise entry, like I would ideally prefer entries like once you actually form like a range one fake out or something, right?
Right.
Like something like
Yeah,
this.
after you explained it and me just kind of slowing down and looking at the trade,
Yeah.
it was a complete bad entry.
It wasn't a
my
bad
direct-
entry, but like some of these things though, like what I'm explaining right now is like something that we explained like last year, like the range one, range two. It kind of goes back to that concept. So like, you don't want to forget about that concept too, right?
Right, right.
Because last year we would have entered maybe the same entry you had, but just on this candle instead. And this one
Gotcha.
would have ran a little more, right?
Right. We could have closed in some type of profit.
Yeah.
You kind of have a pretty good example now, right? Like if you entered now of like a sell stop, you'd be 30 pips less in profit than where we entered.
Yeah.
Where?
Like if we enter
There's no
now,
chance to
right,
get stopped out.
on like
Oh.
the sell stop of like this or whatever,
The low.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
like you'd still have an entry, right? But your entry isn't guaranteed to make you money. Whereas this one is like either break even or you're gonna make some amount of money.
Well, see, and I took that too in consideration as well, Evan, because just like the trade this morning, I took it on the flip, and if I'd have had a sell stop, I wouldn't even got activated into that trade neither. So you know, I kind of learned, and you know.
Fair.
And then I harassed the shit out of Don all night.
I was up for some reason though.
My girl's like, don't text him this late. I said, shoot, he just got to not respond. I'm confused.
No, I was up. I was up till like 3 a.m.
Yeah, but you're always up, man. Like,
I don't know why when he said that, I just picture like Don Juan laying on his stomach in bed, like texting with
But
his
no,
feet up in the air.
That's how I ended up on London though, because I came back to my PC so I could like see the bigger picture, not on my phone. And then like as I'm reading what he's explaining to me and visualizing it, I was like, okay, now it kind of makes sense. I kind of did it. I drew out the zone 1 and 2 and realized, okay, yeah, there was no liquidity grab. And that was just like, I FOMO'd into the entry versus taking it off the flip. If I'd have took a sell stop, I wouldn't even been in the trade because it would have never hit my target. I just saw 2 or 3 mistakes.
But what was your
from my
target though,
entry.
initially? 35?
But yeah, no, I was trying to, where's the entry again? Right here. No, hold on. Took it off the 30. I was trying to come down to, 36, 35, somewhere in the liquidity area.
Yeah,
Down
the
at the
next
bottom.
support. Yeah.
Yeah.
The drawing wasn't that bad though. Like you.
It wasn't. I watched the movie through it.
I mean, the thing is, like, you know, you would have looked for pineapples at like 30, 45 at the resistance. That position would have ran. You would have closed off in like probably a net of 40.
Right. And I was like, yo, that's why I said my second entry, I just rushed it. It was only like a 10 pip difference.
Yeah. Yeah, pineapples gotta be a bit patient because we're not stacking just for the purpose of stacking. You're stacking to get a better exit point, right?
Yeah.
In case that first position doesn't come back to that area.
And then just like, you know, you took the wick, I took the flip, and it's kind of like if I'd have took the flip last night, I wouldn't have been in that situation. If I'd have took a sell stop, I wouldn't have been in that situation.
Yeah.
So, you know, I learned.
That's
And
good.
I feel like I kind of FOMO'd into it super aggressive. And then it was like, why was I even in this trade? And then, you know, there was no liquidity grab and I really didn't have direction. So it's
Wait,
chalked up, that's for sure.
Are you funded?
No, hell no.
Hell nah.
I feel you.
No.
That's definitely easier to say today.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know shit about a funded account though. Like I have no clue the percentage and
Yeah, I know shit
drawdown.
a couple months ago too.
I'm sliding from bank account to a broker.
You're gonna be out with NY, this thing's gonna fly. I mean, if I'm out, then I'm out. I'll be break even. Yeah, I mean the 4 account, if it were to flip, yeah. The thing is, like, there's no zucchini being formed there. There's no liquidity being formed for us to drive down just yet. So it's like for us to drive down, like the ideal price would have to look some like, I'll say like if this were to happen, right? Like this would be the ideal price, but that will obviously hit my break even. But the risk we're taking here is nothing. It's like we already closed partials. It's like if it runs on from here and that was the wick, then sure. I think the only thing we can do really is just look at the 4-hour time frame or the 1 hour or something, or the daily. Daily might be your best time frame to look at because it shows like you could flip, but there's not much noise on the daily versus the 5, right? But yeah, no, it's we're already accepting the fact that we hit break even, but that's why we close, because we closed since you tapped a very strong level.
You're watching this? Oh.
Yeah, no, like we got to survive a couple pullbacks here first though. It's 9:15 here, so this 15 count is gonna
Wait.
close in about 6
That's
seconds.
the last one.
Oh yeah, Floyd, yeah,
This is the second.
Oh,
I got you. Yeah, so chat, you're gonna close bearish here in about a second here. So this count could close bearish. Then I don't know if it closed below the range. I think it closed respect and support really. So I mean, again, just look at the daily. That's the best you can really do here. If you don't like the trade anymore, and you know, due to so and so reason you want to close off full here, then you can close off full here. You'll gain the full 20 pip closure. But I still got a rock in here. We gotta survive the top wick though. If we survive the top wick, because we're gonna break the highs. There's like an 85% chance we're gonna break the highs at like 1950.52. The question is though, like what happens after you break the highs? If you break the high and you flip bearish, great. You break the lows, you could come down to fill the wick again. And then that's your next question. What's gonna happen at the wick fill now? But the first step is like breaking this high and then filling the wick. And after you fill that wick, if you end up closing bearish, you should be good because your range now went from being in this range on price to now being in this range on price. And since you're in this range, chances of you breaking this high is very unlikely versus you in this range, which can easily just break the highs since that's your most recent resistance. Give some good signal, dog shit. All right.
What?
I guess so. I guess so. Hey man, you even gotta watch this for dog shit, man.
Say word, homie.
All good, man. All good. Oh man, this is Journo. What up, Hoss? What's going on, bro? I didn't see you there.
I'm good, man. How are you?
Can't. Oh yeah. Did your Nez catch anything last night? After?
Today, nah, I didn't catch anything.
Damn, out trader.
Yeah.
L streamer. Garbage streamer.
Yeah.
What day is it today? September 1st. Wow, it's the first of the month. Good day. Good way to start the month off for sure.
Last month we recorded.
Why did you ask question mark the moose loss break even? What happened with it? Maybe because I sent the wrong order. I said close 50% here and then moose loss break even. Same shit though.
30 seconds apart, as if either matters.
Yeah, it doesn't. What was the entry again? Wick entry? Yeah, wick entry on the 15.
Yeah, great. 51.83.
Wow, you got 51.83?
Who got the 51.83?
Yeah, 8-2.
Kieran, what?
Me. Yeah. I'm really fucking good.
Oh, we got better gaming chair than all of us. That's why it is.
That's just it, man. I thought there was like the sentence was like half complete, right? I'm really fucking good at something, but no.
No, that's just it. I'm just really fucking good.
Yeah.
Oh, my run here. If we can fill his wick, the issue is filling the wick. You fill the wick, what happens after that? I don't know. This is a pretty decent. You gotta close bearish on this 5 though to confirm something at least.
Are you streaming Monday? No, Monday's a bank holiday.
Oh no,
right?
chat. Yeah, it's a long weekend. I'm not streaming on Monday, unfortunately. I'm not here on Monday. I'm probably gonna be out the whole weekend. I'm trying to see if I can go somewhere. Maybe I might drive to Montreal later or something. I'm bored.
Come scoop me on your way.
All right, bet I got you. Yeah, no, I'm out this weekend. Long weekend for you guys too, right? America too? Or no,
Yeah.
you're Canadian. What am I asking you? US bank holiday and then Canadian bank holiday. So the markets are closed. You can't trade gold. Now, if it was a Canadian bank holiday, then I'll be here. But it's US too, so there's no point, right? Yeah, look at that rejection there on the 15 again. He's got to close bearish here. You have about 50 seconds left. Maybe this one might close. Oh, damn, that is spreadsheet. Okay, let's do that. Oh, also, chat. Yeah, I did want pineapples in this trade too, but the only way pineapples could have happened was if he broke the highs and then maybe tapped into like 5-4. That's about it though. Or not 5-4, my bad. Maybe like 5-9. But it never happened. Obviously, you don't like, like I don't want pineapples all the time, but sometimes we just have to take them. Or ideally, we have a sub. We should take them. But yeah, no, like obviously more pineapples means like we're gonna have more drawdown in a way, right? So if it's just one and done, then that's perfect. Let me just move this. The buff journal. So what do you guys have now? You guys got one position running? You guys close? Are you guys all close half?
I closed full.
Yeah, close half.
What, 20?
I just closed at 80%.
80?
Yeah.
Close half at 27.
What's your TP? 33 or something?
Yeah, 32.
Yeah, 32, 33. I'm probably gonna move mine to like 37, but
Yeah, I was looking at 38 levels, like right below this 5-minute range that we're gonna tap into.
yeah, we might actually run. Maybe it looked like we were making lower highs here. Like you survived this resistance. You got close below now, and you have 2 minutes left. You may survive.
Look at the 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute. What did it do? Oh yeah,
It's just not doing anything.
The 1 minute will drive you crazy.
It's just doing nothing, man. Could run. I would expect it to come up to like 54 before running, though.
Will we beat the Tempest allegations today?
I mean, technically no, we didn't because we closed half
54.
at 20. But
you want a 54 before running?
Yeah. If it taps 54, I'm in another cell.
Oh,
for the sake of my position, I hope you don't get that.
For the sake of the chat's position,
here we go. Here we go.
All get stopped
here we
out.
go.
Here we go.
Where's Wix today, man? Damn. So where is Wix moving? Do you guys know?
Is
he moving to Florida, to Canada, to go to trade on Blueberry?
No, he's on the water.
He said he's closer to the water. Yeah, so.
Yeah,
Oh, he's actually moving.
on the water.
Wow.
He built a house on the water.
He said he'd rather be on it rather than in it.
He's built on liquidity. That's crazy.
I'm not even mad. I'm just impressed.
If I was you though, that 6 bags right there, guaranteed take that. Haha. Wait, what
Good
you
thing
mean?
he's not you.
What?
I think he's just saying that
Like,
if
he talking about the
he
profit?
saw $6,000 profit, he would immediately close.
Oh, 6 bags. Okay.
He's already locked in 3.
Yeah, but it's your relationship with money would change over time too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all perspective. Like that $6,000 could be 100% growth for him.
Yeah.
Whereas it's just 2% for you, not even.
Yeah. How do I explain this trade? This was a 5-minute. So it was based off of the 4-hour time from today, initially. So 4-hour time frame, or was it the 1 hour? Do you know, Elvis?
It was very heavily 4 hour, I think.
Yeah, 4 hour, right? Because we were expecting to flip still. And then we had the wick entry. Manual stop loss was based off of that 4 hour. TP is
Was
based
it the
off
4 hour or
of
the 1 hour? Because I thought
daily.
the 4 hour opened mid trade.
Yeah, but we were expecting to flip bearish.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Or no, yeah,
With the
I think
4
it
hour.
was the 1 hour actually, because it was during the NFP candle. I think it was the one. You're right. Stop loss is off the 4. Daily TP is based off of daily. Oh wow, we're running here, chat.
5 minute bottom wick.
Again, chat, if you guys want to manage risk, however you want to manage risk, close more partials, whatever it is you want to do, you can go ahead and do it. I still got my trade running here. 50 pips in profit. You know what I do here, actually? I may...
I'm gonna close another half.
No, I'm just gonna let it rock, I think. Just gonna let it rock. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute top wick here. That's what I'll do. If we could, depending on how the 30-minute closes, if it closes below here, because it's not just gonna reject the last 5 minutes of this third candle, right? So, I mean, it can, but chances are it may not. So if you can close bearish below 1947 here, form a top wick. After that top wick is formed, I may move my stops to the current high. What was the break even low here? It was based off of what? 15-minute support, right? Yeah. Stops the break even, yes. Managing time frame. What does that mean of us again? Like what time frame you manage the trade off of?
Yeah, like so if I think we were
15?
managing 15,
5.
I think it was 59.5, but more 15 maybe.
Yeah, time frames used on this trade chat was the 5-minute time frame because no top wick, the daily because it could flip, the 4-hour candle because it got liquidity, and the 1 hour the same. The 1 hour printed the same thing as the 4. And we were expecting this thing to flip plus drive on the daily. Lots were 30. Stack positions 0. Stack to break even 0. Oh, you know what we should add? We can add close half, close partials.
Yeah, it's a good shout.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, that's a pretty good thing to add.
Yeah, I'll think about that then. I think
where
we'll
do we?
do it.
Because sometimes we might close like 2 times in partials or something.
Yeah.
And due to what reason too? What was the max drawdown here on this trade? It was
5 pips.
5 pips.
Yeah.
You share a link to the new spreadsheet, or
no, not yet.
Are you still waiting?
Yeah,
Okay.
once it's like more established, we will. You guys will get it for free.
So the trade was based off 1 hour flip of fake out.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was based off of the 4-hour candle, or it was based off of the daily candle flipping realistically. Day top wick, but we use the 1 hour candle with news, because if you were to grab liquidity, because technically last night I was speaking to Luca about it, we were at like 39. I just didn't know if we were gonna drive up towards 5.3 during the lunch session and come down, or if we were just gonna wait for NY to push down, right? So the ideal is just, yeah, basically based off of just like the deal we had yesterday on yesterday's trade at 5.3 on the 1 hour time frame. And that was it, just expecting like a fake out back into the range. Because like we've been driving for a minute here now, and there has been liquidity. I think we've been waiting for liquidity since Wednesday to get tapped, because for us to drive up towards like wherever this is next at 7.1, you got to come down, tap into like these ranges to the left first before seeing that big push up to mirror this traffic. So that's been the idea the past 3 days, and today finally gave us the entry. I was third gonna close there. seconds. Yeah, we gotta survive another top wick here. Unfortunately. Yeah, we survived this top wick, chat. It may break the highs. Because what's forming right now on the 30 is exactly what was forming on the 5 earlier for us when we first entered the trade. So if we can break the highs and then you know, flip bearish, we should be good. I'll move my stops to the current high. But I am expecting a high to break. I mean, if it doesn't break, I mean, I'm not complaining at all. But in terms of price action, like typically you'll see the break of highs here. Because this 30 didn't close below the range here. But maybe the next 30 might. Oh, we also have news at 10 too, right? Oh shit, man. We survived to 10 a.m. We should be good. What are they expecting for numbers? ISM, manufacturing, PMI. Actual grader is good. And they're expecting good numbers too. Wow. Okay. Might survive. You're gonna do your job. I'm gonna close maybe a 5 lot. That's a 10 run. Yeah, I'm gonna close a 5 lot of the 10 run. Just in case it do pull back here. I want to secure some more profits. Because my afraid this 30 might create a top wick. And I don't know after it creates a top wick whether it's gonna continue to flip or if this is gonna drive straight up with the 1 hour flip. Because we're still onto like the very, like technically we're onto the half of the 1 hour candle. So if we spent the first half creating a bottom wick at any given point, this could just be a fake out on the 5 for us to drive up. So I'd rather just secure some more here with that knowing that data. Because I'm assuming the 30-minute top wick will also be the 1 hour flip. And also the 4 hour flip too. How's your Friday though, chat? You guys good?
Billy.
Don gonna make $1 million in non-gold, so doesn't know how to close partial on PC. I do. I just don't. It's a long process for me. I rather do it on my MT5, my mobile. So all you gotta do a mobile, swipe right, click it, and then enter half your lot size. And I could just use magic keys too.
Yeah, I love it. It's useful.
Yeah, I had the first version. I have it back when I bought that shit back when Roger was in Toronto still.
You should make BBS keys.
Bootleg version.
It's so much easier to close on a phone.
What did you say about ICT? What did I say about ICT? Dude, say about ICT. What do you mean?
How's things with the PAM?
My PAM, if I'm setting up a PAM, everything is on hold right now. We're just doing a lot of research right now, trying to figure out what the best plan is next for us. But something will come up for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Is that it? Is that are we gonna break the highs here? We should break the highs. We're like 10 pips away. We're just, man, the break of the highs to our entry is like a 9 pip difference. And our entry isn't the wick, it's just the middle of the range, so. But this is what we were expecting, right? This is what you want. You kind of gotta get it over with now or later anyways. Because you gotta pull back to continue. We'll pull back to reverse.
Yo, what's going on?
Yo, your Naz, what's going on, bro?
Good eye.
Damn, this is the worst thing when you fall asleep on accident and it taps your level on the dot.
Not worse than waking up with your account gone.
Yeah, true.
So what was your entry gonna be? 5-3?
Yeah, 53.015.
Oh man, yeah, no. It definitely tapped it for sure.
Ooh, might hit break even here.
That's alright. You still have 10 a.m. news here to trade. Great, yeah, we might hit break even here, Chad. We broke the highs, right?
Yeah, I
And
hit BE.
may hit here. If we flip here on this bearish count, then we should be good. But it's just about flipping. Like, I don't know if it's gonna flip or not. That was my kind of concern here on price.
Dang, son.
Plot twist.
Plot twist. Plot twist. What's gonna happen next?
All right, everybody, let's go. Don's the only one in the trade.
Spam L's. Spam
I'm
L's.
sure you guys are in too, right? Who's in though?
I'm still in.
See, we're still in. If we survive the flip here,
10% left.
and they got the flip or whip, we should be good. Oh, it's flipping hard too. So if it breaks the lows,
Plot
it's gonna
twist.
It's gotta break the lows though. It can't just hover here. If it just hovers here, then it's gonna come back up and maybe close in the 5 and create structure. But you gotta flip bearish here and break below 1947 to be good here.
I'm about to punch the screen.
Nah, I secured
Nah,
mad.
I'm just kidding.
I secured mad profits. Finished my spreadsheet now.
Damn.
Ooh.
Those are sound effects.
Oh no, we gotta close below here, man.
Call that the My Forex Fund stop loss hunt right there.
And go find Don Juan, the little one.
I'll be back with some water.
Big liquidity, eh?
It's feeling like my broker's trading against me.
There is no shameless Asian plug. Today's Friday. $8 p.m. on Sunday, though.
I'm glad I said you don't have any stop. No, stops are at break even.
My entry was just a little bit higher than the majority, so. The entry at the top wick, nice. Yeah, that was technically the 30-minute grabbing liquidity. You could have entered. Not Sunday this week. We have a holiday on Monday. Well, that's a U.S. holiday. You're still trading Asian sessions, so there'll still be Asian volume. Guys are not 1K likes. Yeah.
Just gonna be
Fake fans. We have about 1,500 likes right now.
I heard if we get those likes to 2,000, we could MFF said they'll release the accounts again.
Beautiful analysis. Thanks. That was all me. Man, what's that from?
Damn, we survived. Shout out to Blueberry. Hey, who else survived in the chat? Or who else survived in the Zoom?
Yeah, I survived it.
I'm still in.
Let's go.
What was you guys? Are you guys on Blue? Is that a cat? Valentino
I took an
or
icy
that dog?
market.
Yeah.
Tina's cat.
Oh, it's one of those cats.
Cybers.
Yeah, because like I said, we need to break the highs in order to drive down here, right? So it's kind of like we gotta get it over with. I just didn't know if we would survive or not, because like the difference was maybe like a 9-pip difference, and like we didn't have the wick entry. We had like it's in the middle of this bullish candle here, so it's like, are we gonna survive? You know what I mean? I'll tell you one thing though. Last year we would have been in buys there, right, chat? Remember last year the 4-hour candle flipped, the 1-hour flip. We would have gotten buys right then and there during those time frames. So it's like we learned, you know, we avoided that this year, obviously, right? We would have been like, oh yeah, 4 close above the range, should flip and drive. We might hit TP here, honestly, chat.
Yeah.
We have news here in about an hour, in about 20 minutes. We might shit. We might hit TP for 130 pips today. Might beat the 10 pip allegations. Yes.
Come on.
Finally,
We did it! Finally!
Mom, get the camera.
10 pip allegations.
What's TP?
1933. 1938. 38.
Ultrasound.
It's gonna be the day flip. Well, actually, you know, we could put a little lower. We could put maybe like at and manage it accordingly. We can probably drag our TP down to like 1933. That's or 36, I'll say, could be pretty ideal. Yeah, 1936 is my TP. Let me just move it down towards 36.
Yeah, 38.
Yeah, 36. This box right there.
70 pips.
150 pips if it taps. Surviving. But Don, why are you selling when it's bullish today? The thing is though, even if it taps TP, it could still be bullish, right? Because like the daily could still just reflip after a bottom wick, for all I know, right? For those I was saying like why we sold, like again, you can still be like the bullish direction could still be accurate today. It's just you must tap a level, drive towards a certain level, and that's what you have to you sort of have to understand, right? With the markets, it's not just gonna flow in one candle. Like this, for all I know, could just be liquidity for us to drive up. News might just rip price up. But if you guys are enjoying the trade though, leave a like and sub to the channel. You guys survive this 15 count too. This 15 count should look looking good though. And then you guys survive the 1 hour close and the top wick of that. Hey Janez, we came back to the entries again. Did you?
Nah, I didn't get back in.
The thing about this entry though, chat, is I think even if like we didn't get the first position, if price were to break the highs the second time around, that would have been our positions. Anyways, if you didn't get the first initial, that would have been the one right here. We're waiting for that break of the highs, so I think I mean, I was gonna enter another pineapple there because we're already in, but it would be ideal. What can we do if never entered? You gotta wait for your opportunity. You gotta maybe wait for the 1 hour close, wait for a top wick, and then wait for news. You might get something still. Like I wouldn't think it'll like just stop moving from here on out. I'm pretty sure it should be a pretty aggressive day today. You should have some ranges going up or going down later on. You can get some buys later, you can get some sells later. Should be able to grab something. But just wait it out. Don't get a FOMO. It's just if you can get the entry, you can get the entry. It is what it is, right? But if you're looking for another entry, just wait till news comes out here. and then your position's gonna be like at 10:15, 10:05. Hopefully news doesn't just spike down or spike up. It just hovers or something first. That's all I can really do today, though. Again, it's also a Friday too. If you had a good week, then don't force anything today. You know what I mean? You'll have more opportunities to trade next week. Last thing you want to do is mess your whole entire week of profits up chasing this trade. But I've always wanted, I think this might be the first time we have it, but I've always wanted to see if we could get runners before news while being kind of far away from our entry, and this might be the first time we might have it. So it's kind of like we might actually get a runner today. But like we were expecting a runner to come eventually one of these days, just with the way we enter nowadays, right? The chances of us getting runners are very high. Holy shit, it's running. 1917. I mean, the day flips at 1936, right? So it's like, if the day flips at 36, it's not just gonna flip and hover there. It's gonna flip and drive a bit more. And your next support is 35. So like, that's why I have mine at 35. Towards third, like putting TP at like 20 is a little rough because it can easily just reject off of 35 levels. Damn. I mean, we could do 34, but it's not much of a difference. It's either you do like 35, 36, or you do like down here at like 30. Because the way I see it is like the daily close bearish here like this, right? So looking left here, they're looking to mirror this candle coming down probably before coming up today, and that taps into 25. So it's either do like 36, that's a pretty, I'll say, safe TP, or in terms of probability, very high probability TP, versus 25. It's not extra 100 pips, but it's kind of like low far. Or you can just manage risk very aggressively. Just keep chilling the stops and profit until it breaks structure. I think I'm just gonna leave it though at 36 today. If you bring down 25, what is that? 250? Damn.
Some guy just DM me, bro. Tell me about Don's stop loss.
Right. Well, about the stop loss. Go ahead. You explain it. You tell them.
I said, what does that even mean?
Tell them the story, man.
It's at break even right now.
Tell them about it.
He's probably asking why it's so big and shit, right?
Oh,
whoa. Yo, why is stop so big, man?
Oh man, what happened to hello?
Just straight up.
How you doing?
How you doing? Nope. Why is not a stop loss? Stoic FX going on, bro.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Hey, can't complain about a day like today.
Yeah, it was a good week.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a really good week. I didn't FOMO at all this week.
Are you throwing shade at Don Juan right now?
No, I need to proud myself because I've been doing this for like 2 years, and I can say it's like my first week to like ever not FOMO or go against my plan.
So did you miss on positions to test it?
Yeah,
like,
yesterday I missed out on a sell, and instead of like getting into a sell, I was like, nah, you missed it. So I just went and caught up on some sleep.
That's good. That's
Well
good.
done,
That's a very good sign.
Oh man.
A good sign in the right direction.
I'm pretty excited about it.
Yeah, it's a huge dub for sure.
You're living up to the name now, man.
I'm trying to. But yeah,
Make it so you make it, baby.
You gotta like assume the role of a professional trader, I guess, to become one. And I think that's what they do. They said that's what Don does.
I close full here, boys.
You close full?
Yeah, I'm gonna end it on a happy Friday on there. 2% up. Let's go.
Let's go.
Good with that.
Good stuff, bro. Are you calling it a day too?
No, I'm still gonna stick with the boys here, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a day.
Oh,
On the charts, you know?
Nah, yeah, bro. A win's a win, bro. I just want to hold trade past news for the first time ever. Honestly, I just want to experience how it feels to be in trade and being extra runners and during news.
If it hits TP, you gotta hit that button.
If it hits TP, it's not a
button.
slip TP. Yeah,
you gotta hit that track star.
You gotta hit it. Damn, what a bad day to get out of firms up, man. Out of firms, like, damn, the day when Don beats the Tempest allegations, I lose my account.
Just punch in air.
I saw a tweet. It was like, gotta go back to trading $50 accounts again. Gotta go back to flipping $50 accounts. That's so unfortunate though, man. It's like they knew that today's gonna be a day where gold just rips, and then they're like, yeah, let's just, you know, end it off here. Holy shit, we're gonna flip on this candle, aren't we?
Damn.
Almost at TP.
Oh. 110 pips. Oh.
Yeah, I was looking at the daily with the history on, just looks funny.
Yeah, that looks crazy.
We use that survive. It's the news candle here.
It's in the bag.
Yep. I'm assuming that we're gonna close bearish on the 1 hour candle. It's gonna close like respecting 45 here, and it respects 45. Then you get a top wick, I'm assuming, for news, and then you drive down, fill the rest of the range. You know what I might do, chat? I may just wait for news, remove my TP, close like when news drives down towards 30, or if it drives down towards 36, close maybe a 5 lot and leave the rest of the 5 lot running until maybe like 1925, 24. You know I'm gonna do it now, actually. I'm just gonna do that now. I'm just gonna close a 5 lot here. So now I close like majority of my positions. But yeah, closing a 5 lot here at the whatever mark. What mark is that? 111. And then I'm just gonna move my TB down to like 25, 24. Because if news drives, it's gonna drive past these levels here. I wouldn't think it's just gonna reject in these ranges.
Dominic says, close the damn trade. Why does it affect you? What money Don leaves running on the trade?
When I don't close the trade, Don close the trade. When I do close, you close too early, Don. You know you don't trust your trade. Man, which one is it, man? Pick a narrative.
There's no winning.
Pick a narrative.
There's no winning except on the MT5 account.
Yeah, we could run here, man. I'm moving my TP down, chat.
Are you really joking, or are you just joking because you got called out?
Wait, who said it? I didn't see.
Dominic.
Are you
Embarrassing. Today could be the millie.
Nah, I don't think so. Nah, I don't
You don't think so?
Nah, I don't think so. I doubt it, because like I need to stack a position or something. Nah, if I was a little off stream, you know what I'm saying? Maybe. if I was a little off stream, maybe.
Those hidden positions, hidden lots.
I would have probably closed like, you know, 4 of the 5 out and have 1/3 lot running fully. Yeah, maybe.
He can't keep getting away with this.
That's some Team Rocket energy written.
You know what I'm more happy about in this trade, chat? I'm more happy the fact that we predicted the 3rd-minute top wick. Yo, that right there, more than the profits, really, for me. That hit home.
That was nice.
Shit, you give him the profit. I ain't tripping. You can take that. Yeah, they just flipped it, right? Or no, almost flipped. Once the day flips, chat, and breaks the lows, you're gonna be gone. I mean, unless news comes out like negative, like very negative, I wouldn't expect this to just flip and break the highs of the day, which is like 150 pips away now at this point. Unless you have a you have like a plot twist or something.
Marshall screen. He just did, bro.
She's a runner. She attracts that. Nah, I played after we hit TP. We haven't had TP smack in a while.
Lost power at my house. It was so weird. Like, glad I wasn't in a tray with no stop loss.
You have your phone though, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Congrats to y'all that didn't be on the topic.
Damn, bro.
Yeah,
You got a baby position, right?
Maybe
Yeah,
maybe you gotta change brokers, you know what I'm saying? Hey, who you trading with right now?
Nah, I took the entry off of the flip though. I didn't when you said
Oh, so it's nowhere near anyways, right?
Right.
Yeah, it's a different idea. Wait, who's your broker?
I text you.
If you all right, I got you. I know who it is now, actually though. I know who it is.
Yeah, I text you.
Good, you're PR trained. Yeah, news in 4 minutes or chat. Honestly, I'm just gonna get some water during news and come back and maybe it might hit TP.
Go get that liquid.
Liquid. All right, people touchy about the broker because you gotta respect it for what it is. I mean, Wix doesn't tell you guys the broker. He can get paid enough to do so. MFF screwed me. The first I'm profitable up 1.6k and it goes bust. Damn. That is unfortunate, man. Someone said it yesterday too. I think. Oh no, Cam has his payout day today. He couldn't get paid out, and he's on by Hyundai, or how do you pronounce it yesterday? Hyundai or something. I don't know why he said Hyundai.
Hyundai. What happened with MMF is not their fault. It's the U.S. and Canada being garbage. It has nothing to do with MFF themselves.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I used to be one of those funded only.
That's not their idea. Like, oh, that's exactly what we're gonna do. In a couple of years, we're gonna shut it down.
Yeah, just for this guy's $1,600 profit, we're fucking closing it.
I sent it to you in Discord. Don.
I got you, bro.
Yeah.
No, they got 85. They did not get 110. They closed differently. Yeah, the channel closed a little differently. The channel closed. They're 10% at like 85, and then we closed and they're half of 110. Someone's about 85, or was it 85 or 81? Yeah, 85. Oh, okay. I see you. I see. I got you. Are they good though? Or I just texted them.
I haven't had no problems.
No?
Like
no slippage, nothing. Like nothing suspicious, nothing.
I asked for withdrawal. It's in my account 2-3 days.
Do you wire? Or do you like crypto?
Yeah.
Wire?
No, wire. Yeah, back to my account.
All right.
But like when I first started, I was like 2 people that I was YouTubing. It was like it was everywhere. And
I
was like,
know who you're talking about. I think.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
Oh, you have news in 30 seconds here, chat. If we can survive the top week, we should be good.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck, everybody. I mean, we're in profit, so like if it does hit stop loss, which is our break even, we'll still come out on top. But if we survive, then we're gonna come down towards TP, right?
5.
6, 5. I want to close below here, which looks like it is. Yeah, 1.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So gap down. Nice. So can it continue to push down? If it rebreaks its own low, it's gonna break the daily lows. And if it
Good
does
numbers
that,
too.
good numbers too. Okay, yeah, cool. So
Yeah,
it should come down towards 34 here, 30.
You guys are solid.
All right, so we survived that maybe. Chat, my TP is not 36. My TP is 30.
I think that's 30.35.
Yeah, 30.44. That was chat. Congratulations, everybody. If you guys want to close out here and call it a Friday, man. You know, I closed decent percentages already, so it's just like whatever happens now at this point. I'm okay with whatever happens if it hits break even, right? So if you're okay with that too, then go ahead, let it rock.
Daily just broke the lows.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Daily
yeah.
flip, nice.
Let's go.
Congrats, fellas. Congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh no, we're $8 away. Kind of far still. Not gonna lie to you. 80 pips away.
Just another 80 pips.
Either way, we're still 130 pips in profit right now.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
If somebody didn't pull any type of profit yet and it hits PE,
Oh,
I don't
man.
want to hear anything on chat.
Yeah, you gotta move
spam it
stops
out.
down or something. Hope you're doing well. I got an email. Hope you're doing well. I've been following your stream recently, and thanks to your trading style, I've been improving so far and getting more consistent profits. I'm doing a personal challenge to grow a $300 account to fit 5,000. I already up 400 on my second trade to you. Nice. Congratulations, Dave. Ghazi. Congrats, man.
W.
Yeah. So I just got the email right now. Just came in. No paid promo. No paid promo. 30 is a strong support. Yeah, 30 is a pretty strong support. But the trade we took today was, if you guys watched the morning analysis, it wasn't really based off of the 4-1. It was based off of the daily. Now, obviously, I understand like there's a support here at 38, which, yes, if you look at price, there's a chance that this could be a range you're in, right? But if this is the range you're in, I would assume that before you come down, because if you don't just drive straight through here, what you may do is you may start to just range here, right? You may start to just range here, do whatever, right? But then I would say once you just re-break the lows, you should be good to drive down towards 38 or 30. But yeah, there's a support here, but look, this is where the day just flipped, right? I wouldn't think the day would just flip here and continue to stay here. I would assume that, you know, if the daily really close respect and resistance here today, you at least come down towards these wick areas here. So look at the wicks, right? There's wicks here. Where's wicks here? There's wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, right? If you were to like get the median average of all those levels there, it's gonna show you like probably what is this, 19, I'll say here, 1935, 1930, right? So like that's kind of where I'm targeting here on price, in those ranges there. And like again, we already closed decent percentages too. Like if I didn't close anything, yeah, I may be able to close full here, but since I closed, like I'll say 80% of my positions already, it's just kind of like whatever happens now happens. But ideally, like yeah, you would just expect price to just continue driving here. I don't see why not. And even if it were to reject, it's going to show you a sign of rejection, which is right here. But then it's going to close bullish. And then it's got to form the zucchini before it comes back up. It's got to grab liquidity before it goes up now. So then if it grabs liquidity before going up, like you'll see it form like around here. So you drop down to like the small time frame again. Like see how like this 15.5 is looking? I'm pretty sure if you were to grab liquidity on price, you'll be able, because like this is your support down here, right? And this is your resistance up here. This is your current range here. So I'm assuming that if price were to come back up and reverse for the rest of the day, you will at least come down to retap into 1934 first. And then if you do end up reversing for the day, this is how a candle is gonna look. But I highly doubt it's just gonna reverse off of this push here, especially with news coming out the way they came out. If you see reversal, you see the reverse breakout low, you see some play in this area, some ranges being printed, and then you reverse afterwards. So you have another chance to probably get out once it breaks the lows. Or whatever it is you want to do.
Or leave it over the weekend for the swap case.
I mean, we could be here for hours with this runner. Or we can just be like, I want to see maybe like by if it doesn't hit TP by like 10:30 or something, I might just close out depending on where it is and call it a day. Because I don't want to be here on a Friday till like 12 p.m. watching our runner and profit. Runners are different because it's kind of like, okay, like I'm just gonna leave it, let it rock. But like when I'm in drawdown, I can't just leave, or else it's like, oh, Don left in drawdown. See, I knew he was scared. I can leave on TP though. Right, chat? For sure, right?
Can it re-break the lows?
Yes, sir. It should come down to 34. If anything. If not 26, or if not 30, it should come down to 34.
Yeah, my original TP would have been hit 38.
Yeah, I think that was original TP today too. Well, before no top wick, it could still. I mean, 4 does have a top wick. It formed a top wick. Remember when everyone got when we got like when a lot of people had the break even hit? That was when it formed a top wick. TP still at 33. My TP is at 30.44.
Later, George.
Yo, take care, George. Take it easy, bro. Go gym. I gotta go pick my wrap color again for the 3rd day in a row. Every day I came by, the first day I came to pick my wrap, I chose, I think, what was it? I think it was like a blue color. The 2nd day, I'm like, you know what? I'm doing green today. 3rd day, I'm picking an orange color. I gotta choose the right tone. I might end up picking like purple or something.
So do they have colors for you to choose from,
Yeah,
or
they
do you
have
just
like,
walk
they
in
have
with a
like
color?
hundreds of colors I can choose from.
Oh, word.
I'm just like, I hate picking colors. I'm just like picky with it.
That orange one's nice though. I think that's the best one.
You think it's the best one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It would go with your
definitely.
interior really well too.
Yeah, I
Definitely the
think
cleanest one he showed.
I might do orange.
First one
That
I
green was
pulled out.
nice, but it wouldn't go as well with the seats.
Or the car I didn't give it.
Mm-hmm.
Body style on the car and that green kind of.
Yeah.
The matte green was cooler to me.
I'm just gonna get like a rainbow color. One of these ones, the one that has like every single tone on it.
Oh God.
Chameleon.
Prismatic look.
I saw a BMW S1000 RR that had that wrap and was so clean though.
It does look clean in real life, for sure.
Yeah.
I just can't rock it myself.
I wouldn't get it on a car. For a bike, it's a bit different.
Even pink is hard.
Janez, you take trades this morning?
Nah, I haven't taken a trade today.
London, no, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about London.
Oh no, London. I was waiting for 53 levels. That was my ideal, and also 47. 1947.6.
Oh, I didn't realize that my stops to break even were like a little higher than my entry point. I don't fucking know. Will you ever bring ranges back into Wick strategy? No, we still take advantage of ranges today. Yeah, no, we still take advantage of that stuff for sure. Like, what do you mean by that though? Like what's the question? Because we do take advantage of ranges. Like this was a range one fake out that we were expecting, right? And then that's what happened, right? Instead back then, we'll either have like a 4 hour kind of top wick buy stop, or we'll have like a 1 hour top wick at like 47, or we'll have them about like a closure on the 1 hour to flip, right? Which would have been this entry, which would have been fine today too, but yeah, nah. This gives us a better obviously entry, right, for runners to survive, as you can see. Are you trying to get a milli tonight? No, I'm not. I'm not trying to get my milli. It's gonna happen when it happens. I don't know. I don't want to put any type of pressure behind it or anything like that. You know what I mean?
Stop pocket watching, chat.
It's gonna happen. Will it happen today? Will it happen next year? I don't know. I'm just here living, taking my 10 pips daily. This 1 hour has no top wick. So this 5-15 close respecting. I'm trying to see if this 5 can come up, create a top wick, and flip bearish here. I think if that happens, you should be good. If that happens, you can probably move your stop loss to that kind of high, because then this is how it's gonna look. $190 pip TP today.
Oh, that's a party dog now. Yeah. It's G. She's the bodyguard.
Yo, where's Wix though, for real?
Moving on.
Stuck in the liquidity trap.
He's moving house, isn't he?
Yeah, I know
Yeah.
he is, but it sucks he wasn't here.
You know
today,
how long
man.
moving will take when you got $3?
Oh yeah. Let's give a minute.
Close full here. Send him those profits you have left over.
He's watching.
Tell him housewoman gift.
Do you think he took the trade though?
Yeah, we definitely have to find that out first.
Like set up his computer in the
Pretty
corner
sure
of the
he
room.
did.
I'll call him, but I don't want to.
I doubt he took the trade because he texted me a few times yesterday evening and was like, no stream Sunday or Monday, and he said he might stream Sunday, and then I was just like, bro, enjoy your new house.
Yeah, no kidding.
Take the weekend off, smoke it out.
I swear he just moved too, like recently, like a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago.
I feel like he's been at that house the entire time I've been here in DBS. Should be like over 2 years.
Would you recommend re-entering? No, because you need liquidity to come down here. I mean, you can just fly down, but for me to take a position, I'll need to see liquidity being grabbed and then take that position. So you need to wait for that to set up. Now I don't know if that's gonna come or not. But what I do know is that this 15 is gonna close bearish, and it has no top wick. So if we come out, create a top wick at 47. Could that be a top wick for us to fill the wick down at 37 to drive further down? You may see some more pullbacks towards like 47. If you can survive 47, then I'll just move my stop loss to that high, whatever that is. But this should be like one of the last pullbacks before you come down.
I dropped fingers.
Oh, might even close respecting Doji again.
Hazy says, "Passed my FTMO challenge today. I've learned so much from just showing up
That's
every
right.
day. Thank you,
FTMO
Don, for
challenge.
real."
Wow. FTMO, not MFF. Yo, congrats, bro. Congratulations. So what percent did this trade make you today?
Nice. 3%.
What do you think about getting buys right now? For buys, you're need liquidity. So like you're likely gonna re-break the lows if you were to get buys today. That's why I said earlier, like you have another chance to exit in profit if you want to get the sells, because in order for us to come up, you gotta come down to tap at least 34, grab some areas there, and then from there on, who knows what's gonna happen. We could reverse, could just continue to fly straight down. But yeah, no, like I'm not looking for buys. No, like this is my last position of the day. If I didn't take the sells, I look for buys still. I want to look for buys once it tap 35, but then after tapping 35, I'll need this to form this wick right here at like 25 and 26, right? Like I'll need to see something like this form. But taking buys here is very tough right now. No, you need to see us come down, fill the ranges, right? And then maybe like a bullish candle closure like this. Sure, there you can buy it because now you have liquidity to go back up. But you haven't had that the last 3 days.
Plaza B, that's way too big.
That's way too big. Yeah, it is way too big. Not gonna lie to you. Shit, 112 pips. Do not apply on proffers based in the US. No, isn't my MFF based in Canada? They're based in Toronto, I swear.
Yeah, I would stay away from any fucking US or Canadian base until this fucking bill disappears or potentially forever.
Yeah.
There is some trouble with other funding firms as well. Like yesterday, ACG fucked up a little bit. Like their servers or something failed for like an hour. So like I passed phase 2, and apparently they gave me the wrong account for phase 2. So I didn't really pass it because the target was set to 8% instead of 5%. So I wrote to them. They added a new account to my dashboard, changed the percentage to 5%, added my equity that I had, but the trading days reset. So like I have the account passed, but now I have to like trade for 3 more days to actually pass it.
Oh, you try to open and close the trade real quick?
Yeah, but the problem is it's a 10K account, and the minimum lot size there is 0.1, and I'm exactly at 5%. So if I just open and close and it's a losing trade, yeah, I'll need to win like $5 or something to make sure I pass.
Dang.
That's
Just
weird.
full margin it on NFP, mate.
Full margin it while he's already in profit.
Here we go. Breaking the lows.
I cannot believe this thing drove.
Oh, Cam, you're back.
You better believe it though.
Are you done now? You done your stuff?
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I closed at 47, so I'm sick of it now.
It's
Those are
fucking straight
sniper
off my
exit.
screen.
Definitely was sick of it.
Why am I even on the Zoom? I'm just giving myself FOMO at this point.
Not into now, bro.
Bro, we're gonna have more pips from this trade collected than last month combined.
Literally.
Cam felt so good closing at 47. He was like, I know it's gonna go up.
Yeah, I was like, sniper exit, man.
Yeah, I was gonna say sniper exit.
I saw the next 5 close bullish, and I was like, yeah, man, I'm closing the charts. I'm done for the day. Let me quickly go and post this in the chat quickly.
Chat, what have we learned today? You know that line I always say that sounds annoying because it never happens? Today it finally happened. The line of, you keep cracking at the rock will crack open. Today the rock cracked open. So, that's a perfect example right here, man. Kept doing the same thing every day, you know, 10 pips here, 20 pips there, 30 here, 10 here. And people kept saying, yo, Don, when the runners gonna come, man? Where's the runners at? I'm like, they're gonna come eventually, man, but we can't force them. Today, look what happened. You know, runners finally happened. And it was worth it. But during the meantime, you collected, you know, a small piece here, a small piece there, and you just got rewarded for it today, for collecting small pieces. Honestly, I feel bad for Elvis though. This guy popped his 0.01.
He's like, what?
Tough.
Steven here to defend himself?
Like, what is this?
He's like, I'm only in $20 profit. What?
Wait, how do you get $20 profit
20
from
pips or $20?
Did you pop a 0.10 or 0.01?
0.01.
I think he put 0.01.
So how do you make 20 bucks?
It's yeah,
It must
it'll
be
be 13.
0.1.
He'd be at 13.
If you popped the 0.01 right now, he would have been at 13 right now, right? Yeah, 13. Yeah,
0.1.
So
Maybe it was
maybe it was a
0.01
point.
runners.
I would be crying. I would, yeah, I would be freaking. Don't talk to me all day.
That's why he's not on camera.
I did the opposite. I basically opened a one lot because I took a trade on GJ with a one lot, and then I opened, that was I closed too early, I think, because I was like, yeah.
And what you pop after a 20?
Nah, I ain't got that kind of capital.
I mean, you don't need to have that type of cap. You can go a little full margin.
True. Unless you're
Make it
Janez.
up. You can make it up.
Janez can get 1 to 30 max.
Yeah, I physically can't over leverage.
Jeez.
Physically? Wait, why?
Nah. In Australia, you only get 1 to 30 leverage for regulated brokers.
Are you with Blueberry?
Yeah.
Wait, but you can't. Oh wait, so if you're from Australia, I can
Yeah,
have
if
a
you-
1 to
if
5.
you-
You can have a 1 to 30 max.
Yeah, 1 to 30 max. If you live here.
I mean, you don't need a 1 to 100, right?
Unless you count.
There's nothing wrong with 1 to 30.
Yeah, you can still be doing fine.
I mean, yeah, he's already profitable with 1 to 30, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but your stock's gonna have to be you can't be 100 pips, can it?
Be like 10 pip squeak.
It's tough.
Brother, I so starving. Should I buy back up, bro? Yo, thanks for the
What?
Not even this
it's,
time.
That's the 49K.
$49,000. Woo!
Damn.
Damn,
What about your starting
$49,000.
point?
Thank you,
Whole
bro.
savings, dude.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Thank you, bro. $49,000. Thank you.
Oh,
send me
it's
that.
Vietnamese dong.
Vietnamese dong? Is that it?
Yeah.
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 Oh damn.
How do you not know that?
That's around 250. Yo, thanks for the 250, bro. V-Bucks. Hey, who can top $49,000?
Oh man, Don was just giving some dong,
Someone's
bro.
gonna drop some USD right now.
That's a lot of dongs.
Damn.
My man's dropped that monthly paycheck of dong on dong.
Can we start trading the dong?
Yeah, start trading the dong.
Buy dong now. Oh man.
Oh man.
That's.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, but what's your question? Why,
Wait, so how much is that?
You want to buy now? Oh, that's around 250.
It was like $2.
Because I know for $100K dong, that's like $5. I know because back then,
$2.
I went to Vietnam one time and we rented a whole soccer field, and it was only $100,000 in dong, and I was like, "Wait, Dad, how much is that?" He's like, "Oh, it's $5." I'm like, "Yo, I'm gonna rent this for 20 hours."
It's so many numbers.
Yeah, I know. The currency is very low.
I held when I was in school, some kid brought in £1 billion note or billion something note. It was like a genuine currency. I can't remember what currency it was. It was some random country in Africa.
Why make fun of my dong, bro?
Why you make fun of my dong, bro? Should I buy it? No, you should not buy it. Well, you can do whatever you want to do. Is that Ayman Gadzi? The mango guy? No, that's not. I got. You know who that is, Mango?
Nah.
You don't know who Iman Gatti is? I don't know how to describe him, to be honest. I don't know what he is, but he's a entrepreneur. They thought you were this guy.
He makes 80% of his money from selling a course.
Shit, man, doing better than me. I ain't tripping.
So yeah, is that an insult or is that a compliment? Come on.
Nah, that's funny. Iman Gatti.
I got rich.
Ooh, pushing.
Can we just turn off the chart, please?
I know. I didn't want to look at it. Oh, yo, actually, you know what?
Let's get some games
Cam
going.
Harris,
Yeah, let's get some games.
I'm gonna move my TP down to 1915 here.
Wow.
Just get rid of the TP. Just let it ride forever, bro.
You know what?
Speaking of, how's your swing trade doing?
TP is Monday closed. Oh no, I'm still in profit here. Still in profit. Yo, we technically can move TP to 1915. It just won't hit until maybe Wednesday, Thursday.
We're swing traders now.
The person who clipped break even earlier is like, fuck. What do you mean?
Technically, you could
360 pips done? When?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm leaving it here, chat. It's gonna be 30.
The amount of people that I've seen in the chat though today, while I've been in meetings, praising your moves. When the other day when we were taking losses, they were
oh, same guys
weren't as fruitful. Yeah.
Oh
You
yeah,
gotta screenshot those guys, man.
Yeah,
Hit them with the this you.
God bless you, Don.
God bless you. God bless you.
What is that?
Hit them with the this you. Man.
I got Zoom Pro, so I get all these new backgrounds.
Poseidon.
Why don't you draw for your broker and invest it? How do you know what I do with my money? How you gonna know? Yo, what is that behind you, bro, Haas?
How I'm feeling today, man.
Oh, that's how you feeling today?
How I'm feeling today, man.
Man's eating.
What is he eating? What is that?
Eating money.
Jack.
Eating cash. Straight up.
The best one when Don's got like the full-on curly hair.
Oh, right.
No.
Oh, the picture that
When he
Paul
stood in
has.
the shop with the curly hair.
Which one? I didn't see that one.
You
not
standing
seen
there
it?
with the shoe?
I did not see that one.
The slot machine
Yes,
one.
he did.
It's, bro, we've pulled it up on stream many times. It's the one when you're standing there after winning the shoe and you got the
Oh,
fucking
my
little
perm,
Jew
the orange
fro.
shirt. Yeah, I remember this.
I posted it in Signals chat. That one.
Oh yeah, how's the sandwich feeling today? Oh no, they're going crazy. Oh yeah, that one.
Watch him still be
Nice.
losing it in the signal shot.
Nice. Who? Yo, Mr. Cam Harris, why don't you just go buy gold now?
Yeah, I'm
What
sick
a
of it, man. I'm getting FOMO at this point.
Really? Nah,
Yeah.
you better than that. You are better
Yeah,
than
to be
that.
fair, I am better.
You're getting
And it's a
FOMO maybe for the
Friday,
vibes,
too.
but not for a trade, right?
Yeah, true.
The vibes for the trade, you know, you can easily replicate this trade any day.
What? That's to be fair. That's the thing that's helped me. Like, I could just come back Monday and just like make a smidge of what we've made today.
Jack, are you okay with your background, Jack?
What's wrong with my background?
That's such a
boy going through something.
Oh man.
Oh.
Hey yo.
Bro.
Hey yo.
What is that background?
What's going on here?
I mean, not 5 women, but 5 guys, huh?
Gold is at 35 guys.
Friday, isn't it?
36.
That's crazy.
What are they waiting on?
5 guys, 1 pip.
Yeah. Alright, bro.
Oh.
Oh, we're almost near TP. $6 away.
Too much is going on.
You have more news today? Might need more news to play out here. Honestly, What's the difference? 210 versus 150. 50, 70 pips. What time is it? 30? Okay, here's what I'll do. I'll wait for the 30-minute top wick. And then once you form a top wick, I'll move my stop loss to wherever the high is. But you're going to see some more retracement here. But you should come down to re-break the lows if you were to drive up anyway. So like, I'm not afraid of this thing just flipping and driving back with the break even. But once you form a top wick, I'm just gonna move my stop loss there. Whether it's gonna be 41 or 44, I don't know. But 30-minute just closed, right? And it closed back into the ranges. So if you guys take a look at this thing closed below here. It should fill the range, which taps into 34. It's just from 34, I don't know what's gonna happen now. But that's the range it's breaking back into, right? So that's the range it should ideally fill. That was not enough of a top wick for me though. Or we can just close there and call it a day.
Want color? Color, can you bring it over here, please? Color is over here.
Coloring. I'm done with color.
35, 36.
Yep.
All right, break the lows. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna move my. Oh wait, no, that's not the same candle. Why is the 30-minute candle on TradingView look so different from the one on Blueberry? It looks like it's a lot bigger on Blueberry, or on Awanda.
Not mommy. Right.
Is that TT's mom?
Oh, maybe. I'm just gonna save him a little bit in case something gets leaked. Oh.
Of course, it's candle drives.
Okay, just close the computer.
I'm on the Zoom. I got the Zoom on one screen here.
I'm gonna move my stops, chat. I'm gonna move my stop loss in profit for 143 pips.
She's a what? She's a what?
She's a
We're all waiting for it.
Press the button.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
I haven't heard that for a while.
Yeah, I know, bro. Me too. It's about time though.
Nostalgia.
I've never heard that on stream.
Time to shut him up.
Yeah, I'm moving my stop loss here just because, like, if this kind of were to, you're tapping support, you're tapping 35, which is our original target. It's like now it's like, okay, well, if you do flip on this candle, then it could pull back further towards 46. It could still come down again, but it might be another hour or so. So it comes down to just time and just calling it a day at this point versus runner. So if it runs here, then it runs here. It will drive straight through 35. But if it does not, then it will hit our break even and profit. Damn.
GG's. Well played.
GG's, man. Biggest trade since I watched Don no account. I thanks MFF. That's unfortunate, bro. I'm
Thank
sorry.
Canada. Thank
I
the
apologize
US.
for all who couldn't trade today. But hopefully you guys learned a thing or two today. You know, that's all that matters really, because you can then replicate this exact move one day. It might hurt right now, but one day, whenever the time comes again.
Speaking to you, Cam.
There's a lot more runners here soon.
Don't worry, I can see this massive candle that's just sat on my screen, the big red one.
Don't worry.
I got rent to pay, man.
Tell MFF that.
Yeah. I'm filing a lawsuit.
Yo, Cal, I don't know if this might make you feel better, but if you break below this low here, you have clean
Here
traffic.
we go. We're gonna run on to 1900.
Wow, look at that daily. You break below that low, I mean, that's like clean traffic.
Cam, just enter the cell now, dude. You got a lot of room right here.
This is just the weekly top wick, right? So we're gonna flip this weekly candle, 1914.
Yeah.
Drive down to like
19. Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah, boy.
You waited all week for this setup.
Honestly, I might just move my TP again and just keep trailing it. Because the thing is, like, it won't just reject 30 if it comes down to 30. It's gonna reject, close bullish, create a high, grab liquidity, and then continue to drive, or continue to reverse. So you can just keep trailing it. And chances that it might just drive straight through like it did here on this 40, 30, 36, 37 level. Because where's next target? If it's not 34 here, it's gonna be 24.
You said at 1904. Fuck it.
How big is that TP at 1904? How big would that be?
Like 480 pips.
480, yeah. 478,
Oh man,
around there.
480.
That'd be a great start to the month. Shit.
Yo, I'm done for the month. No, the single channel, one trade and that's it. I'm taking vacation. I'm going to Turks.
Streams will resume October 1st.
100% win rate, 400 pips.
I literally woke up this morning as well and literally said that this daily was going to flip.
This 30? Which one?
This daily.
Oh, the daily?
You said that? You said that, Kim?
You know what? Shut it, Mango.
Right when you woke up, you're like, you just like
I'll
open
haunt you
your
in
eyes.
sleep.
And
I will haunt you in your sleep.
That's the first words out of your mouth when you woke up.
Oh my god.
This daily's going to flip.
I can just feel it.
I'm not even looking at the charts and I can just feel it.
Bro woke up and just
But
said
I'm going to close
1930.
early.
Shut up.
He got you there.
It's okay. I close with you, bro. It's okay.
Oh, thank you. You definitely did.
Not at your level, but
Danez is not impressed. What do you mean? I'm chilling.
Janez? Janez is
Janez
chilling, bro.
is the
Janez?
opposite.
Yo, what'd you finish August with, bro?
I ended up like 6%, 5-6%.
Right. See, he's chilling. He's not in phase.
Yeah, he's
He
not
knows-
even
He knows
phased.
what's up.
So
Yeah,
Cam
that's
is
fine.
freaking out, even though he's been up 60%. I can't believe I missed this.
Bro, do you peak?
I
if
could have
used
been up
yesterday?
100.
No, we had 112, didn't we, or something like
Is
that?
that peak or
Janez?
is that more?
No, 130 something. I think it was peak.
Ah,
Pretty sure.
still. That's fucking crazy, man. You only been streaming for a month
Yeah,
or
that's
less,
true.
3 weeks, right? 3 weeks of streaming,
Yeah,
120,
this is a natural.
120 viewers. Yeah, natural. Just like I can tell. Came into the stream and
Oh.
just spitting. Not nervous at all. First day on, our monster question. Dealt with them. Done. On to the next.
yeah, he's good, man.
Showed them
He
what's
holds
up.
his-
That's it. Just-
He holds his composure very well.
yeah, he does. And,
First stream I was nervous,
he's only
not gonna lie.
19. This is that prodigy.
Yeah, he's a young.
Not 19 yet. 2 days left.
I used to be called a
Hey,
prodigy.
there.
I miss those days. Yo, what's considered a prodigy? Isn't that like what age is prodigy?
Well, if you're a soccer player, 5.
Oh, prodigy, yeah. Well, if you're a trader, like 19, 18. No, actually, a lot. There's that 15-year-old trader. What's his name again? I forgot his name. On Train Nut. Remember that guy?
How's he even open an account?
I don't know, dude.
His mom.
We might hit break even here though, or in profit.
Break even. I was gonna say, Jesus
Hey,
Christ.
Blueberry, if you guys are listening right now, move price down now. Yes, keep rejecting.
Oh my God, there's no way this flips.
Oh.
It likely will. I mean, hold
Don't
it.
say that to me.
Hold
Don't
it.
say that.
Hold
Yeah,
it.
just praying on the downfall right up.
Hold it. Oh.
Please push up.
Oh.
It is stop loss. Let it end.
No, it should hit. It should hit here. It's just
Another plot
re-breaking the
twist.
highs.
Another plot twist.
Oh, one more plot twist.
Oh.
I need
Blueberry's
more
listening.
hands on this right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit break even.
Dump it.
All right, that's it. That's the runner right there. Then that's cool.
Check.
I mean,
Oh, I survived.
What was that?
Oh my God.
yeah, we did
140 pips.
147.
Damn.